Hello, friends. My name is Jeanette, and meet my family first. She is my mom, and he is my dad. He is my brother, Saad, and she is my sister, Sarah. We were a happy family and lived in a beautiful home. One day, we bought a dog and bring it to home and named him Fluffy. But unfortunately, Fluffy was a bad dog. Yes, a very bad dog. Fluffy went on the concrete. Fluffy went in the mud. Fluffy pulled the washing down. Fluffy pushed the Lego over. Mom said, "What a bad dog." Fluffy barked and barked. Dad could not sleep. Dad was fed up. Dad said, "What a bad dog."